let's talk laundry detergent. When it comes to making sure that it is done right, we all want our clothes to smell fresh and clean, and most importantly, we want our clothes to feel and look clean. Well, I have a product today that I'll be discussing with you that'll do just that. So stay tuned. Thank you for continuing to watch. If you are new here and you enjoyed today's content, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And for my return subscribers, thank you for your continued support. So let's jump right into it. Today we are talking about True Laundry Company. Okay, so they were established in November of 2012. This startup manufacturing and distributor of house cleaning supplies, True Products, were born. So what they have available, so they have their heavy duty liquid laundry detergent, which is available in two different sizes. They have their 50 fluid ounce, which washes 50 loads of laundry. They have the 101 fluid ounces, which washes, of course, 101 loads of laundry. And next, they have what they call True Clear. Now, the True Clear is formulated for those with more sensitive skin, so it doesn't have a fragrant or a dye color to it for appearance or anything like that. So this is especially great for those with smaller children, newborns, and it is very cost efficient compared to what is it called, Drift or Draft. That stuff is so expensive, and you get such a little bottle, unless you want to spend even more money getting a larger bottle. Yeah, no, that's a no for me, dog. And then one of their newer products that they just recently dropped, which is their lavender scented fabric softener. This is scented with the essential oils of lavender. The True Clear and the fabric softener come in one size, and that is the 101 fluid ounces that, of course, washes 101 loads of laundry. Have you guys ever tried any of the True products? If so, let me know down in the comments. How did you feel about it? Did you enjoy it? Do you feel like you would be a lifelong True product customer? Like, do you think you would be a True customer for life? Let me know down in the comments. So, some amazing points in regards to the True products. This was created and developed in the United States, and it is veteran owned, okay? So it is also safe on all fabrics. So that is your synthetic fabrics, your all natural fabrics. You don't have to worry about True products affecting the integrity of any of your garments that you may be washing. I know, me personally, I washed a formal gown, not like a big old dress like this, but it was a formal gown. It was a more expensive dress. I did wash it on like kind of like a delicate cycle or whatever, but I know for a fact when it went in and when it came out, it was the same color. There was no shrinkage, there was no fading in the color. It kept the integrity of the fabric and the garment and everything, and it wasn't altered by using the True products at all. Okay, so I recommend it. Something that I did personally, they have the ability for you to subscribe, and subscribing basically means you give them authorization to auto ship and auto charge, of course, auto ship the product to you according to the shipment cycle that best suits you and your needs. So if you do that, if you set it, if you subscribe and allow them to auto ship, you save 7% off of what the price normally is. So it's like a win-win. You don't have to, remember to go get laundry detergent or fabric softener. They'll just ship it straight to your door. The frequency that they have available is basically 4, 6, and 8 weeks of that you would like to, have a new product sent out to you. Another cool thing that I found on here, that they have these like little packets, and I think you get like 10 of them 10 of them for like $8 or something like that. But like whenever you may need to do laundry on the go, they have these like little packets of True Laundry Detergent, which is like super dope. Hope that, you know, eventually it'll be in a large store where we can just go pick them up off the shelf. But until then, I'm staying as a subscriber. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you give True a try. And just, I mean, what's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen? Nothing. Exactly. So go check out trueproducts.com. Again, that's trueproducts.com. I'll leave the website down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed everything today. I appreciate your time. And like I always say, black dollars plus black business equals black magic. You dig?